Every breath I take, it's not always clear. My body fights, my lungs bring fear. But Jesus, you are with me here. Your love gives me courage. Your voice is near. Jesus, you lift me when I fall. You hear my cries. You answer my call. Through every struggle, through every fight, you hold me close and give me light. Cerebral palsy makes my steps slow. It makes things extra difficult, as I know. My coughing reminds me of what I face, but your mercy carries me with grace. Jesus, you lift me when I fall. You hear my cries. You answer my call. Through every struggle, through every fight, you hold me close and give me light. Even when the world may not see, your love and grace surround me. I lift my heart. I lift my voice. With you, my Savior, I rejoice. Jesus, you lift me when I fall. You hear my cries. You answer my call. Through every struggle, through every fight, you hold me close and give me light. Jesus, my strength, my guiding hand, with you forever I will stand. Like, share, and subscribe.